here's what I got. I got a grill gasket. I got a bucket and a basket. Let's see how they fit. Looks like it comes with a cooler and a stick and some gloves. It comes with a divider also. Let's go clean it out and see if we can make it new again. First, let's clean this out. Okay, look in here. So this thing broke in half. We got some cracks in here, but you know, we're not too worried about that. Works fine. I was using a brick to hold that up. We're just gonna clean this whole thing out. Okay, so this is what I got. I got this cleaned out. I'm gonna just, I'm gonna find something to wipe that out with. We're on rain delay now. It's starting to rain. We gotta get it back together real quick. Let's put this back in. There we go. We're back to normal. That looks pretty self-explanatory. Well, that's pretty cool. And there's our divider. Okay, the next step is to remove this here. We're gonna have to get a razor blade, get all that off, and clean it. For this next part, we're gonna scrape it with a new razor blade. Get off as much as we can. Okay, so we got most of that off. Now we're gonna take some sandpaper. I got a 220 here. I would use the orbital, but I don't feel like taking it out. The 220 was a little too soft for us, so we're going 60 to get all this down so that you don't have grease on it, because it's not going to stick to the grease. We're making some progress here. Over here, it's still got the 80 grit works so much better, and it's really pretty clean. I'm gonna now dust it off. We're gonna wipe it down with this alcohol. So you're gonna put it on here and just wipe around, clean off all the dust, make it grease free. That has been cleaned off. So here we go, we're ready. 2-year warranty. So you guys, I'm gonna do a 2-year follow-up on this, obviously. It says to cut this in half to make it easier, so we're gonna cut it in half. You wanna start in the back because you wanna offset where these things meet up, but we're gonna do it back here because you don't wanna have it open in the front. What you're doing is you're pulling a little out and you're moving up, and then you're keeping that like this, and then going to the next. When you get to the end, you're gonna wanna go a little further than you think, and then cut with a razor blade. I got it mostly out. I went a little too long here, it looks like, but it's gonna be fine. I think I might be an overachiever and do this while I'm here.
Why don't we run both of them? No, you already cleaned it up.
Okay, we got most off. The top is now clean, and I used the alcohol to get everything off there. Next, we're gonna take this piece. We're gonna put it right back around. We're gonna connect it in the back again. So what I did was I measured it, and now I'm gonna stick it on. It looks like it's turned out perfectly. Let's see if this fits on. The other one fit much better. That doesn't feel like it's doing anything. I think somebody messed up here. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Did I do something wrong here? What the hell? I had a leftover piece, so I added it on there. But now it's going to leak everywhere around there. See, that fits much better. What I would have done if I had known, I would have just kept going with the thing, never cut it, and it would have fit perfectly. And this is what the finished product looks like. We just got to make something. We're trying out the new stuff today. So we got this, we're going to set it up, and we're going to do some pork butts. So kick ash. I added some wood on top. We'll get that going. Okay, down at the bottom. See, now we got this basket, and we can use both hands and shake it. And you can see I got some grease that came down. You would think that it would have some sort of easy way of picking it up, but I guess you'd stick your hand in this thing. And look, it's clean. How much easier is that, guys? Just to dump out, and we're ready for the next. Just like that.